Who's ready to cook on this fabulous hump day? Ha ha ha, hump day. It's Wednesday. Today I'm making cheesy chicken enchiladas. Tell me how the sound is. Tomorrow I am leaving for several days. I'm making these super cheesy chicken enchiladas so that when I'm gone, my kids can just easily like, oh, didn't mom have something in the fridge that we could just kind of warm up? And so that was my thinking today. Things that my kids are going to eat while they are safe in their home and I am gone. So Vivian, how do you feel about me being gone for several days?
I think you'll have fun where you're going.
I guess you're not a little kid. You're okay without me. Where's my cumin? Here it is, Daphne. Silly girl. Salt, and this is a little different. We're gonna put some sugar. So what you could do is kind of add the, you could do a thing where you kind of add the chicken to get the flavor, but I'm gonna blend this, so we're not gonna, but that's something I've done in the past. Just giving you ideas.
So why are we putting this in a blender?
Because, to blend it. We are making cheesy chicken enchiladas, and I've just made a sauce for it, which is tomatillos, jalapeño, onion, garlic, cumin, paprika. I kind of want to try
Salt
this.
and sugar.
Oh, salt and sugar. Yeah, which is crazy. Oh my God, why am I covered with hair?
What?
Oh, it was really good. It's funny, I put a couple tablespoons of sugar, which I thought, oh, it might be too much. But the tomatillos are so tart. It's good. This has a lot of, it's kind of got a roasty flavor. It's a lot going on. Drizzle some of the sauce in the pan like that. So it's your grounding, so to speak. So we are going to get oil all over these enchiladas.
Tortillas.
All over these tortillas, sorry. Now you could make these with corn. That would be more authentica. Sometimes, so I feel like, it's a one-pot meal. I've put like little bits of zucchini in this or whatever, but you guys have all turned on zucchini lately. So.
I like zucchini. Only Rex doesn't like zucchini.
See, I keep forgetting. Yeah.
Here's what you have to remember. I hate carrots, Rex loves carrots.
That one I've got.
I love zucchini, Rex hates zucchini.
I want to do a little cheesy sauce. So I'm doing a little bit of water, sour cream, and now I'm putting in cheddar cheese. Okay, so now look at that. I think that looks pretty. This was my vision thing. The cheesy, creamy chicken enchilada with tomatillo sauce. So let's bake it. Let's bake it. Woohoo! All right, here we go. Cheesy chicken enchiladas with tomatillo sauce. It's pretty hot. Looks good, right? I'm excited.